Hello and welcome back. This is the second video in our tutorial set. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the cellular and data cloud service. Okay, let's get started. We'll start off by typing secure.bannercelldata.com in your browser. Scroll down to Cellular Data Plans and select United States if you're in the US or North America if you're in Canada or Mexico. For Cellular Plan, select Starter Kit. Enter a username and password. Then continue with your payment information below. Note that the Starter Kit comes with 90-day free trial for cell and data cloud service. However, credit card information is still needed as it will serve as the source of payment when the free trial ends. Continue with your mailing address. Review our terms and conditions. Click the box indicating that you have done so. Then click the Sign Up button. You will see a message indicating your sign up was successful. Click OK. This will take you to our Cellular Data Plan page. Enter an email and password, then log in. Then navigate to the prepaid card redemption portion and enter your authorization code, which is found on the insert included within the kit. Click Redeem. This will activate your 90-day free trial service. Scroll down to My Service and Equipment. Your cellular service provider can be determined by an A for AT&T or V for Verizon at the end of the model number of the kit you purchased. Click on the arrow next to your cell service provider, then enter the ICC ID and IMEI number, which is located on the back of your gateway. Please note, it could take up to 5 minutes before the gateway is recognized by the cellular network. Please hit refresh until you see active under the status category. The device will then appear under your service provider. The gateway is now connected to your cellular network. It's now time to set up your data cloud service plan. Navigate to bannercds.com, click Sign Up, and enter your authorization code along with the other requested information. You'll notice you won't be able to click the Accept button until you scroll down to the bottom. We just want to make sure you have a chance to read our terms of service. Once there, click on New Gateway, select Starter Kit. Give the gateway a name and enter its serial number found on the back of the gateway. Click Create. You will then see site creation success. The SmartSolutions Starter Kit automatically pushes data to the cloud every 10 minutes. So at this point, you can grab a coffee or take a short break. You will see success for the gateway once it's been recognized. Click Go to Dashboard. You'll notice the nodes in the gateway you connected appear. And that's it. Your system is now connected and running. For more information, visit bannerengineering.com.